Today we're going to find the distance between points A and point B. Back in the 7th, 8th grade, you probably found the distance using the Pythagorean theorem, where you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 going vertically, and then 1, 2, 3 going to the right. So you have 4 and you have 3. 4 squared, 16, plus 3 squared, 9. 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 gives you 5. Okay, but today we're going to use our distance formula. So let's go ahead and enter our distance formula. Once again, to enter mathematical expressions, we press the insert icon, go to math expression, and we will enter the equation. The distance formula, D for distance, equals the square root, open parentheses, and then another parentheses, x sub, that means below, 2, and put our minus, bring it back up so that it won't be with the sub, minus x sub 1. And once we do the x sub 1, then we're going to square the difference. Okay, then we will add, let's see if it's even. Very good. Okay, open parentheses, y sub 2. What that means is the second y value minus y sub 1, which is our first y value, or the y value of our first point. And we're going to square that one also. Okay, once we're done, we press done, and we have our equation. So let's just move that up. Now, the distance that we're looking for is we're looking for the distance from point A to B. So what we're going to do is put AB. Once again, we're going to enter an expression. And AB, the distance from point A to B, is what we're looking for. Remember, it needs to be an uppercase, AB. Let's go ahead and put the equation. AB is equal to, and we're going to put D, because we're looking for the distance. We already have that formula for the distance, so we can use AB is equal to D. Now, we're looking for the distance from point A to point B, which is the same as our distance. So what we can do here, which is so good, we'll just put the D here, and voila, it gives the equation. All right. Now everything else is just as easy. That's all we have to do is we'll say that A is our first point, B is our second point. So we want to find the x sub 2 tells us that we're going to take the x of our second point. The x value of our second point, so we'll put that. The x value of our first point, we'll put it here, plus y of our second point minus the y of our first point. Now, does it matter which one we put first? No, because of the square. Okay, so let's just move this over so we'll have just a little bit more room. Now that's it. All we did is substitute. We used our formula to substitute the second x value minus the first x value squared, plus the second y value minus the first y value squared. Okay, that's it. Alright, we want to do our parentheses. You could just go ahead and do the parentheses first. And square it. And we could do same here. Now it doesn't matter the order, as long as, okay, so there's our 9 plus 16, square root of 25, and we can actually simplify that even more. So the distance from point A to B is 5. And there's our work. Good luck on the rest.